The human eye is one of the most remarkable organs in the body. It is often referred to as the window to the world, a phrase that captures its essential role in perception and understanding. Our capacity to interpret the world around us is largely dependent on the visual information our eyes gather. This sensory organ transforms light into signals that the brain interprets, allowing us to see our surroundings. Each component plays a critical role in processing visual information. From the cornea at the front to the optic nerve at the back, every part is carefully designed to support vision. Without this intricate system, the rich tapestry of colors, shapes and movements we perceive daily would remain unseen. The eye's capability to adjust to various lighting conditions and focus on objects at different distances highlights its adaptability. Despite its resilience, the eye is vulnerable to conditions that can impair vision. By exploring its anatomy and functions, we can better appreciate the necessity of protecting this vital organ. The eye is composed of several key structures, each performing specific functions vital for vision. The anterior segment of the eye includes the cornea, iris, and lens. These structures work together to focus light on the retina. Each component has a unique role, yet they operate in harmony to ensure clear vision. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that acts as the first lens, bending incoming light. Behind the cornea lies the iris, a colored ring of muscle that regulates the size of the pupil, thereby controlling the amount of light that enters the eye. The lens, located directly behind the iris, further refines the focus of light onto the retina. The posterior segment of the eye contains the retina and the optic nerve. The retina is a layer of light-sensitive cells that convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. Each of these elements is essential. If any part is damaged, it can lead to impaired vision. Understanding the anatomy of the eye helps identify how different eye conditions develop and how they affect our ability to see. The cornea is the eye's outermost layer, a transparent dome that covers the front of the eye. It serves as the primary barrier, protecting the eye from dust, germs, and other harmful particles. The cornea's transparency and curved shape play an essential role in focusing light onto the retina. This ability to bend light helps the eye to form a clear image of the surroundings. The cornea consists of 5 layers, each with distinct functions. The outermost layer, the epithelium, acts as a protective shield. Beneath it lies the stroma, which provides the cornea with strength and elasticity. Any damage or disease affecting the cornea can significantly impact vision. Conditions such as keratitis or keratoconus can lead to severe visual impairment. Understanding the role of the cornea is crucial for treating these conditions and advancing corrective procedures like LASIK surgery. The iris, the colored part of the eye, is much more than a mere aesthetic feature. It functions as a diaphragm, controlling the size of the pupil, which is the opening that allows light to enter the eye. The iris adjusts the pupil size in response to light intensity. In bright environments, the pupil constricts, while in darker settings, it dilates. This ability to regulate light intake is crucial for optimal vision. The iris achieves this through a set of muscles that contract and expand, similar to a camera aperture. The color of the iris is determined by genetic factors, which also influence its function to some extent. The pupil's size can also indicate emotional states or interest levels, as it changes in response to psychological stimuli. Problems with the iris or pupil can result in light sensitivity or difficulty seeing in varying light conditions. Anisocoria, where the pupils are unequal in size, can arise from neurological or physiological issues. Understanding the iris and pupil's role highlights the importance of regular eye examinations to ensure their health and function. The lens and retina work together to focus light and create images. The lens is a transparent, flexible structure that changes shape to focus light precisely onto the retina. This process is known as accommodation, allowing us to see clearly at different distances. The lens's elasticity decreases over time, leading to conditions like presbyopia, where focusing on near objects becomes difficult. The retina, lining the back of the eye, is a complex layer of cells that captures light and converts it into electrical signals. It's comprised of two types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light, while cones detect color and detail in brighter light. The retina's health is crucial for vision. Damage can lead to conditions like retinal detachment or macular degeneration. Regular eye checkups can help detect such issues early, preventing significant vision loss. Understanding the roles of the lens and retina underscores the importance of protecting the eye from harmful UV light and maintaining overall eye health. The optic nerve is a critical component of the visual system, acting as the communication highway between the eye and brain. This nerve is composed of over 1 million nerve fibers that transmit visual information from the retina to the brain's visual cortex. The optic nerve's integrity is essential for the accurate and efficient processing of visual stimuli. Once light is converted into electrical signals by the retina, the optic nerve carries these signals to the brain. The brain then interprets these signals, constructing the images we see. Any damage to the optic nerve, such as from glaucoma or optic neuritis, can lead to vision loss or blindness. The optic nerve is also involved in reflexive responses, such as the pupillary light reflex, which helps adjust the pupil size in response to light exposure. Advances in medical imaging have improved our ability to diagnose and monitor conditions affecting the optic nerve. Understanding the optic nerve's role emphasizes the importance of regular eye examinations. Detecting changes in optic nerve health early can prevent severe outcomes, highlighting the need for ongoing vigilance in eye care routines. Several common eye conditions can affect vision, including myopia, hyperopia, astigmatism, and presbyopia. Each of these conditions results from different anatomical variations or changes in the eye, leading to distinct vision problems. Myopia occurs when the eyeball is too long or the cornea is too curved, causing light to focus in front of the retina. This results in clear vision up close but blurred vision at a distance. Hyperopia, on the other hand, occurs when the eyeball is too short or the cornea is too flat, causing light to focus behind the retina. This leads to difficulty focusing on close objects. Astigmatism is caused by an irregularly shaped cornea or lens, leading to distorted or blurred vision at all distances. Presbyopia is an age-related condition where the lens becomes less flexible, making it difficult to focus on close objects. Understanding these conditions helps in recognizing symptoms early and seeking appropriate treatment. Many of these vision issues can be corrected or managed effectively, allowing individuals to maintain a high quality of life. Vision correction is an essential aspect of eye care for many individuals. The most common methods include glasses, contact lenses, and surgical procedures like LASIK. Each option offers different benefits and considerations based on the individual's needs and lifestyle. Glasses are the simplest form of vision correction, using lenses to adjust the focus of light onto the retina. They are easy to use and can correct various refractive errors like myopia, hyperopia, and astigmatism. Advances in lens technology have also made glasses more effective and comfortable. Contact lenses offer an alternative to glasses, providing a wider field of vision and more natural appearance. Proper hygiene and care are crucial to prevent infections when using contacts. Refractive surgery such as LASIK permanently reshapes the cornea to correct vision. Understanding the available options for vision correction empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their eye care. Regular consultations with eye care professionals ensure that the chosen method adequately meets the individual's visual needs and health. Maintaining eye health is essential for preserving vision and preventing conditions that could impair sight. Regular eye examinations are a cornerstone of effective eye care, allowing for early detection and treatment of potential issues. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in eye health. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zinc, and vitamins C and E can help prevent age-related vision problems like macular degeneration and cataracts. Including green leafy vegetables, oily fish, eggs, nuts, and fruits in your diet can support eye health. Protective eyewear is crucial in safeguarding eyes from harmful UV rays and injuries. Sunglasses that block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays reduce the risk of cataracts and other eye conditions. Additionally, wearing safety goggles during activities that pose a risk of eye injury can prevent accidents. Practicing good eye habits, such as taking regular breaks from screens and ensuring adequate lighting while reading or working, can alleviate eye strain. By incorporating these practices into daily routines, individuals can maintain optimal eye health and enjoy clear vision throughout their lives.